playing? Kazuya. Okay, got it. Okay. Here we go. Just so like it's actually on the right.
Yeah. You gonna fly?
Yeah. This is actually like the first time I ever seen a fly power actually.
Yeah. There we go. Man, license. I'll do the new take up some space. Oh, yeah.
The rate, yeah, heat. Yeah. That's how it's called, rate.
Dang, Walker putting the pressure. Walker putting the pressure,
You're good.
I don't know this game, bro.
Neither do I. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, damn.
That's actually
That's pretty sick, yeah. Okay. Dang, Walker's done really good.
I don't know the game, bro.
I don't know anything. I walked out there so bad. Should I just mute the mic?
No, I think your chatter is it adds on to the rock.
Yeah, it's all after, it's all after the clinic.
It's like, what's that old Tekken server? It's like a catch You know what I'm talking about, the team one?
Yeah, I know.
What's that?
Wait, what?
I don't know what that was called. You know what I'm talking about, Siberian? It's like a Tekken team tournament they used to have here in the States. It's like an old tournament.
Oh, jeez. I vaguely
Remember that last year they had 5 commentators? It actually went really well. The Tekken commentators were perfect. Not very many bad.
Honestly, the stream is looking good.
Yeah, because
Consistently.
Get ready for the next battle.
I swear to shield the fire.
The stream is looking super good. I couldn't watch it on my phone because I'm buffering.
Actually, yeah, we're working fine. I put on the Wi-Fi on mine. Working fine.
I wish.
So yeah, Walker's up 1.
Walker's up one.
That's kind of cool. I know people hate on him, but he's kind of cool. I'm kind of glad Anna exists now because I've been wanting to play a character like her because of like, there's this guy on YouTube that makes Mokujin videos. I don't know if you're familiar with him. His favorite like team to play in Tekken Tag Tournament 2 is Mokujin and Anna because apparently Mokujin with Anna's moveset is crazy good. I miss Mokujin. He's so cool. He's literally a tree. Well, not a tree, but like one of those training thing.
Kind of surprised they haven't brought him back.
Yeah, but I don't think they're ever gonna bring him back. It would be kind of sick if they did bring him back, but give him like his own.
Yeah.
Like his own moveset. It would be so sick. I know, but like, or maybe bring Tetsugen and give him a moveset.